Hello there, I'm Pamela Ambrose, the director of the Loyola Museum of Art. I'm standing in our museum store right now that we're very, very proud of. You know, there are many reasons to visit a museum store. First of all, you're supporting the museum's organization. Next, of course, you are trying to find a very unique gift that only museum stores really can provide these days. And finally, you bring home a memory. That memory lasts for a very long time of the experience that you had while you were visiting the museum. So we welcome you to the Loyola Museum of Art, especially at this holiday season. And we have some really beautiful things that we have in our shop that I'd like to show you. As a museum of all faiths and all cultures, we really take great pride in being able to present exhibitions that come from a different faith tradition. This year, we're showing an exhibition titled Hanukkah Lamps. And so we have menorahs that are here in the museum shop, as well as books on the Hanukkah tradition. If you've visited the Loyola Museum of Art before and seen our Martin Darcy collection, you know that we have a wonderful pair of German angels in the collection. This year we developed a special Luma Christmas ornament. It says 2011, and it is our Martin Darcy angel that'll look terrific on your tree. Hope to see you over the holidays at Luma.